Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you the Amazon Smart Thermostat. So let's explore its design, specifications and features. So let's start with the design of the Amazon Smart Thermostat. It boasts a streamlined and simple aesthetic with a clean white finish that seamlessly blends into any home decor. Its compact size makes it unabrasive on your wall. So let's explore its specifications. The Amazon Smart Thermostat is designed to work with most 24V HVAC systems, including single stage, multi stage, and heat pump systems. It measures 3.56 inches in height, 3.56 inches in width, and 0.84 inches in depth, making it both compact and efficient. Now, the smartphone app integration. Enhancing its functionality, the Amazon Smart Thermostat can be smoothly controlled through the Alexa app, whether you are at home or away. It manages your thermostat remotely with precision, ensuring comfort and energy saving. Now, its durability. The Amazon Smart Thermostat is built for durability, designed to deliver reliable performance over time. It's also Energy Star certified, which means it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines by the US Environmental Protection Agency. Now, its installation and setup. Installing the Amazon Smart Thermostat is straightforward with the included wall plate, screws, and quick start guide. The Alexa app provides easy step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth setup. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on smart home technology. See you next time.